Japan, a land of striking contrasts where the past and present blend seamlessly. Ancient temples stand in the shadow of towering skyscrapers, creating a unique skyline that tells a story of resilience and adaptation. Traditional tea ceremonies with their meticulous rituals coexist with cutting-edge technology that pushes the boundaries of innovation. This captivating nation boasts a history as rich and diverse as its modern-day landscape, where every corner holds a piece of the past. Our journey takes us through millennia, exploring the evolution of a culture that has influenced the world in countless ways. From the earliest hunter-gatherers who roamed these lands to the bustling, high-tech society of today, Japan's story is one of continuous transformation. We will uncover the stories behind Japan's transformation, delving into the lives of those who shaped its destiny. We'll explore the rise and fall of empires, the battles fought, and the peace achieved. The clash of samurai swords echoes through history, while the quiet wisdom of Zen gardens offers a serene counterpoint. Japan's story is one of resilience, innovation, and a unique cultural identity that continues to captivate the world, from its ancient traditions to its modern marvels. Join me now as we delve into the epic journey of Japan, from the Jomon period to the Reiwa era, uncovering the essence of a land steeped in time. Our story begins in the mists of time. The Jomon period, spanning thousands of years, marks the dawn of human habitation in Japan. These early inhabitants were hunter-gatherers. They lived in harmony with nature. Their survival depended on the forests and the sea. They were skilled potters. Jomon pottery, with its distinctive cord-marked patterns, provides us with a glimpse into their lives. It is some of the oldest pottery ever discovered. The Jomon people laid the foundation for the cultures that would follow. Their connection to nature and their artistic spirit would echo through the ages. Around 300 BCE, a new chapter unfolded. The Yayoi period saw the arrival of new technologies from mainland Asia. Agriculture, particularly rice cultivation, took root. Societies grew larger and more complex. People settled into villages. Large burial mounds, known as Kofun, began to appear across the land. These elaborate tombs housed powerful rulers and their treasures. Among these emerging powers, the Yamato clan rose to prominence. They established themselves as the dominant force in central Japan. This marked the beginning of Japan's Imperial line, a lineage that would continue uninterrupted for centuries. The year 538 CE marked a profound turning point. Buddhism, originating in ancient India, arrived in Japan from Korea. This new religion, with its emphasis on compassion and enlightenment, captivated the Japanese people. Buddhist temples and monasteries became centers of learning and culture. During the Asuka, Nara, and Heian periods, Japan underwent a period of significant cultural development. The arts flourished, influenced by both Chinese and Korean traditions. This era witnessed the creation of Japan's first permanent capital city, Nara, followed by the elegant Heian-kyo, known today as Kyoto. Literature flourished, with works like The Tale of Genji offering insights into the lives and loves of the Heian court. Feudal Japan, the age of the samurai, from 1185 to 1603 CE. As imperial power waned, a new order emerged: feudalism. The samurai, warriors bound by a strict code of honor, rose to prominence. In 1185, Minamoto Yoritomo established the Kamakura shogunate. This marked the beginning of samurai rule in Japan. The following centuries were marked by shifting alliances, power struggles, and near-constant warfare. The Ashikaga shogunate, established in 1336, attempted to restore order. However, the country soon descended into the Sengoku period, a brutal century of civil war. Powerful daimyo, or feudal lords, battled for supremacy, their loyal samurai armies clashing on blood-soaked battlefields. The Edo period, isolation and prosperity, from 1603 to 1868. After decades of conflict, a powerful figure rose to unify the nation. Tokugawa Ieyasu, victorious at the Battle of Sekigahara, established the Edo shogunate in 1603. The Edo period, named after the new capital city, modern-day Tokyo, ushered in an era of peace and stability. The Tokugawa shogunate implemented strict social controls and isolationist policies. Foreign contact was limited. Japan turned inward, focusing on internal development. This period witnessed a flourishing of Japanese art, literature, and culture. Ukiyo-e woodblock prints, kabuki theater, and haiku poetry became immensely popular. The Meiji Restoration. Japan transformed from 1868 to 1912. The arrival of American Commodore Matthew Perry in 1853 shattered Japan's isolation. Perry's black ships, armed with superior firepower, forced Japan to open its doors to trade. This event triggered a period of immense change known as the Meiji Restoration. In 1868, the Tokugawa shogunate was overthrown. Power was restored to the emperor, beginning with the young Emperor Meiji. Japan embarked on a rapid path of modernization, adopting Western technologies, government systems, and military practices. Industrialization transformed the country. Japan emerged as a major power on the world stage. Imperial Japan, a rising sun on the world stage, from 1912 to 1945. This period marked a significant transformation for Japan, as it emerged from centuries of isolation to become a formidable force on the global stage. With its newfound strength, Japan asserted itself in Asia. The nation embarked on a path of rapid modernization and militarization, driven by a desire to compete with Western powers and secure its place in the world. Victories in the Sino-Japanese War from 1894 to 95 showcased Japan's growing military prowess and ambition, and the Russo-Japanese War from 1904 to 5 further solidified Japan's status as a dominant military power in the region. These victories not only cemented Japan's status as a major military power, but also fueled its imperial ambitions. Japan's involvement in World War I further increased its influence. By siding with the Allies, Japan gained new territories and expanded its sphere of influence in Asia and the Pacific. However, the following decades saw the rise of militarism and expansionism. The military began to exert significant control over the government, pushing for aggressive policies. Seeking resources and driven by a sense of national destiny, Japan sought to expand its empire. The quest for raw materials and strategic territories became a central focus of its foreign policy. Japan launched a series of aggressive campaigns in Asia, invading and occupying vast regions. These actions were part of a broader strategy to establish dominance over the continent, culminating in its entry into World War II in 1941. The attack on Pearl Harbor marked a turning point, drawing the United States into the conflict and escalating the war in the Pacific. The war ended in devastating defeat for Japan in 1945, with the nation left in ruins and its imperial ambitions shattered, marked by the atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. These bombings brought unprecedented destruction and loss of life, leading to Japan's unconditional surrender. The country faced a long and difficult road to recovery. The post-war period was marked by significant challenges, but also by resilience and determination as Japan rebuilt itself from the ashes. A modern Japan. From post-war recovery to global powerhouse, from 1945 to the present, Japan's journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. From the ashes of war, Japan underwent a remarkable transformation. The devastation of World War II left the country in ruins, but the resilience and determination of its people set the stage for an unprecedented recovery. Embracing pacifism, enshrined in its post-war constitution, Japan focused on rebuilding its economy and society. The new constitution, which came into effect in 1947, laid the foundation for a peaceful and democratic nation. The following decades witnessed an economic miracle. Japan's rapid industrialization and modernization transformed it into a global economic powerhouse. The 1960s and 70s saw bustling markets, crowded streets, and a booming economy. Fueled by innovation, technological advancement, and a dedicated workforce, Japan rose to become one of the world's leading economies. The country's focus on education, research, and development played a crucial role in this transformation. The Heisei period, from 1989 to 2019, which saw the reign of Emperor Akihito, was marked by economic prosperity, rapid technological advancement, and Japan's emergence as a global leader in fields like automotive manufacturing, electronics, and robotics. This era also saw Japan navigating the challenges of a globalized economy and maintaining its cultural heritage. The current Reiwa period, which began in 2019 with the ascension of Emperor Naruhito, faces new challenges, including an aging population, economic competition, and environmental concerns. Japan is now at a crossroads, balancing its rich traditions with the demands of a rapidly changing world. Despite these challenges, Japan remains a land of innovation, cultural richness, and a steadfast spirit. The country's ability to adapt and innovate continues to drive its progress and influence on the global stage. Its journey, spanning millennia, stands as a testament to the resilience and adaptability of the Japanese people. From ancient traditions to cutting-edge technology, Japan's story is one of continuous evolution and enduring legacy. As Japan looks to the future, it continues to captivate the world with its unique blend of tradition and modernity. The nation's ability to honor its past while embracing the future ensures that it will remain a global powerhouse for years to come.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more intriguing content.